Pretty big box showed up on my doorstep today, and it's actually all the way from Poland, which is super cool, from a company called Pressurized, and they make pressurized sprayers. So I did a video recently with Carlos where we applied some foam soap on the cars when we were washing them here, and this company Pressurized saw the video and thought it was a pretty cool idea, so we wanted to do a little collaboration. Kind of sent me out a little care package. I'm not sure exactly what's in this box, but apparently it's going to be pretty sweet for detailing the WRX and maybe the bike, I don't know, but we're going to open it up.
Time to find out.
A little unboxing, yeah.
Ooh,
be careful.
This is a good knife. I know. Multiple things, quite a few.
Oh man,
wow.
There's so much. Oh man, that's super cool.
Look at this tiny little one.
It's got measuring marks on the side, so if you want to make sure you're doing the right measurements when diluting your detailing products. It's 1 liter, so really easy to measure if you want to do half and half or 1/3. That's cool. That's the main pressure sprayer. That's super cool.
Oh my God, that's nice.
So
what's this thing for?
show how it works. Yeah, you basically just pump that. You would put like a soap and water inside of it, right? So you would spray like soap and whatnot on the cars. It would be really good.
How do you do it?
Sweet. What's this one? So this one is actually more of the foamer than this one. That's pretty cool. So this one has the nozzle pieces to kind of foam up the soap as it's coming out. So this one will do a really good job. It says FX Electric on the box. So this is really, really cool. I can't wait to actually try it out, detailing the WRX and applying foam and soaps, because this is a battery powered version of this, and it holds quite a bit of fluid. So we can basically fill it with soap and water and foam the car up without having to manually pump it, which is wicked. We could do that in the garage here. That would be perfect. And then if we're out somewhere and we're at the car wash and we want to do our own quick little spray, we could bring one of these guys. That is so awesome. The battery pack's here. And then there's some different nozzles, and it looks like there's the foaming one. It's the charging cable. I see. They included it. Oh. That's so cool. So we put this on. Test it out. Put a little bit of water in to test it out. Comes with like this strap. Go to the car wash. Wash it at the house too, but that's so cool. Oh my god. It's so windy out today. Oh, it's running up. That is wicked. Let's test it on the paint we did the other day. Look at the water beating up. That's so nice. Perfect.
Getting off that bird poo. Oh, I actually did it.
So pretty cool little care package here of products to add to my detailing kit. I'm excited to try out the foam sprayers, both the electric one and the manual pumping one here. I can take them to the car wash and I don't think that they're gonna care if I do a quick run around, putting my own layer of foam on the car that I'll use. I'll use less harsher soaps than what the car wash has, because those ones, if you're into car detailing, you'll probably know they can strip the wax and sealants pretty much within a wash. So if you've just sealed your car up, take it to the normal car wash and spray it down with soap or whatever, your wax or your sealant can come off that wash, because that stuff's so aggressive. Some of the stuff that we would use perhaps in our detailing kits will be less harsh, and it'll work better with our sealants to keep them there. So definitely excited to do some reviews. I'll share that with you guys soon. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have links down below for Merrill-X, and then stay tuned for some more reviews. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the review videos.